So I wanted to do a video on Mickey Mouse ears, or Disney ears, whichever way you want to go. I went down there in Christmas, and I got married in 2015, and we went to Disney World, and I bought one of their ears that had the veil like that to show everybody that I got married, and actually we got my husband a little top hat one thing there. But I decided not to buy another set of ears when I went down this time. I just took the ears that I had and went to the craft store and hot glued Christmas stuff onto the front of the ears. And then on the back, I did the same thing. And so when I went to Walt Disney World this year, I got so many compliments from the characters, the staff members, and actually people coming up into the park asking me where I had bought my ears. So if you want to, if you're one of the people that really want to stand out at Disney World and have attention drawn, which actually brings more magic to the group you're taking down, go ahead and customize your ears. You can get your ears, you know, at the Disney store online, or you can get them off Etsy. And then bring your ears in ahead of time and do a decoration on them. Now this year, I'm taking a 16-year-old boy who does not know he's going to go. It's going to be magical for his graduation of junior high. And so this year I've decided to make another set of ears for me. And so I took one of my Mickey shirts that I had from previous years and cut out the hand, and then went and got little stuff at Michael's. A lot of the places, craft stores, have a lot of Disney crafts. And so then on the front of mine, I'm going to do the Disney babies is what I'm going to do this time. So that's going to be my ears here in April. And I'm sure there'll be compliments on those too. And then for him, being he's a teenage boy, I had asked his mother what his favorite characters were, and she had a hard time getting that out of him. But anyway, it ended up being Stitch and Nemo. So on his ears, this is what the front of his looks like, because he's a teenage boy. He's probably not want a lot of glamour on his ears. But then on the back, I personalized it to let everybody know in the Magic Kingdom and that he has graduated. So it will bring some extra magic to him also during that trip. So Disney has a lot of ears, and you can get all kinds of ears off Etsy and stuff. But you can get creative and just make your own set of ears to personalize when you want to go, what your occasion is, whether it's married, anniversary, whatever. So I just wanted to give you this little tidbit that I found that made my trip a little more magical this time. And so try to make you personalize you a set of Mickey ears. All right.